And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the Optgroup tag. It's used in connection with the select tag, and this defines a dropdown. So just as a reminder, I've already covered that in my playlist for HTML, but let me create it here and you can see the dropdown. Usually you have a label in front of it that defines, or that gives you a little bit of text so that the user knows what the dropdown is about. Let us just make this example about favorite sport. So the dropdown should now have options, different sports. Let me just come up with like 5 examples. So use soccer, basketball, football, boxing, and MMA. So usually it looks like this, nothing special, but you can also see that we could group them. So we have 3 ball sports, soccer, basketball, football, and 2 fighting sports, boxing and MMA. So in this example, it could make sense to give both an Optgroup. I'll just add it right here. And you can see there's an empty space now, and soccer, basketball, football is somewhat grouped. I added for boxing and MMA as well. And everything that's nested inside will be grouped in the dropdown. So we will have yet another empty spot, and boxing and MMA gets indented. You can give your Optgroup a name by adding a label attribute. So ball sports and fighting sports make sense here. And this is going to appear now in the dropdown, and it's bold, so it's very obvious for the user what is grouped. Additionally, there is a disabled attribute that you can use for an Optgroup. Let me just add it to our ball sports, and it's going to disable the entire group. So soccer, basketball and football are now disabled and can't be selected anymore. So everything that's nested inside of our Optgroup has now been affected by this disabled attribute. And that's all there is to know about the Optgroup tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.